runs pretty good. He has a real problem getting traction. This yeah, that wasn't a very good run for him. Dart on the left gets with it, but I think that little hot rod thing there might do all right. Welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hey, we got a 2001 GMC Sierra 1500 here, and the truck is owned by Kyle. Kyle, what's your last name?
Brown.
Kyle, what's your business?
It's a KB Racing Turbo Systems.
You do turbo systems for these LS motors in these trucks?
9 to 13 GM half-ton trucks.
Right. Have you done quite a few of them? Things are getting a little rowdy out here.
Building them for about 13 years.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about this truck.
It's an 01 GMC extended cab 4-wheel drive. It's got a iron.
Okay.
Iron block LS1, which is 118,000 silver 5.3 with forged pistons, Gen 4 rods, 243 heads, about 10 quarter-one compression. Run a Borg Warner S475 turbo. About 15 pounds of boost.
Wow.
100 ton of nitrous to get it off the line, just help us pull with a...
Yeah, I heard you say that nitrous helps it spool up.
Yeah. It only sprays till 10 pounds of boost and it shuts off.
No.
I'm running 15 pounds of boost just to get it into boost.
Right.
About 700 to the wheels on my dyno.
So Kyle's got a dyno, and he's making 700 to the wheels with this setup here. That's pretty good. At the flywheel, you're probably closer to 1,000, huh?
Yeah, probably 850.
Yeah. So Kyle, I understand you built several of these trucks and sell these systems.
Yeah, I sell the turbo kits. My website's kbracing.net, and it's just the information site. It's not a storefront, but it kind
Nice, nice. Yeah, it's a nice looking setup there. Like I say, he's got the nitrous on there, and you can see the turbo over there. Nice setup. All right, Kyle, you gonna make a pass with it here pretty soon? So we're competing with a little noise here. All right, Kyle.
Go out for one more session, see, race the car and truck, see what it'll do.
All right, cool. We'll catch a video.
All right,
Good luck out there. Yeah, guys, this is a super clean 01. How many miles, Kyle?
the truck has 190,000 on it.
190.
Body does.
Yeah.
And several different motors and trains.
Nice.
That's what the show does.
Beautiful truck. Yeah, you never know this truck makes that kind of horsepower. That gets a little interesting. This guy's trying to stop. Get a little western down on the other end there, trying to get them low down. All right, guys, here we got Kyle coming up in his GMC Sierra 1500 with a big turbo on it, nitrous there, against that pretty stout Duramax over there. This should be a really good race. Guys, we even had a DoorDash driver out here. Joey's got his. What do you got, Joey, here?
I got a 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE.
Right
all-wheel
on.
drive, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine.
Joey's been making a couple passes out there in the DoorDash Toyota. Right on. Got the DoorDash and the safety truck. Heads up here. Nah, I think the safety truck's going to get this one. Hope we can get the whole video there, but he's off the line.
He forgot to take the traction.
Yeah, looks like he got him. One for the safety truck.
Yeah, heck yeah. Woohoo!
Okay, Kyle's little Sierra 1500. Yeah, that's not smoke for the engine, that's off the tires. Pretty awesome, Kyle.
Yep.
One for one? Or one each?
That's about all I have in it right now. So he used the Carter on the launch that time.
Yeah.
I'd have to put more in it to be able to do this.
Did you bring a tuner today?
I don't have any way to turn it up
Yeah.
today.
Yeah. Right
That's
on.
all I brought today. So.
That was good. All right, guys, we got a 05 Chevrolet 2500 HD.
Yes, sir.
And this is Travis's truck. Tell us a little bit about your truck, Travis, would you?
Well, the coolest part is it's got 428,000 miles on it.
Wow.
So it used to actually be the toter truck for an actual real drag truck, and for actually Edge's drag truck. Now it's just a toy. It is a built Duramax with a built trans. We got it turned down out here just to try and not blow the tires off. But it's it's got a Danville Stage 2R in the valley with a 88 on top. You know, we're running 100 over injectors. We're running a 12 millimeter XG pump in the valley. It's got its rods, pistons, still stock crank in the motor.
Nice.
20 over. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
How long you had the truck?
I've had the truck now for about 2.5 years.
Well, it looks like it hooks up and books pretty good there.
It
I
does,
got a
yeah.
video of Travis racing another truck out here, and this thing gets with it.
It does. We've been trying to get the suspension to work better. We're still running old Rancho shocks and stuff on it. Eventually, we're going to go to QA1s and try and make it faster. This will probably be the last year. It's a crew cab. We're actually going to make it a short bed.
Oh, you are?
We're going to make it actually a regular cab short bed and try and make it even faster.
Put the drivetrain out of this
Yep.
into it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So how much you weigh right now?
Right now, the truck weighs 6,300 pounds with me in it.
Wow, that's a lot.
We've tried to lighten it up as much as we can, but it's still heavy.
Yeah.
You know.
And that's the LLY engine?
Yep, it's an LLY, yeah. So it's a year and a half built. So.
Now, is the trans, is that a 6-speed or the?
No, it's actually a 5-speed Allison.
Uh-huh.
We had a 6-speed conversion in it for a while, but we could not make it shift correctly.
Uh-huh.
So we went back to a 5-speed, and we do a second gear start in it, just because first gear start it just sets at the line. So
Nice. Yeah.
but yeah,
Yeah, truck looks like it runs really good there.
it does. We're trying to get the 60 foots in. Fastest 60 foot we have is a 159 inch so far. We're trying to get it even faster than that. So.
Right. But Travis has got another truck too. Tell us about your other truck.
Yeah, we have actually it's a little sled pull truck. It's a 77 Chevy square body sitting over at Looking Glass at the car show.
Yeah.
It's got a 12 valve Cummins with a 6.7 crank in it, 13 millimeter Scheid pump with Scheid injectors and twin turbos, and it's got an Allison in it. You know, Pro Rock 60 front with 4 links. It's pretty cool. So it's sitting down at Looking Glass at their car show right now. So,
Yeah, I may have to try to get out there and take a look at it.
They're
Yeah.
supposed to have a burnout competition this evening, so we're gonna burn the 38s off on it. So.
All right. Well, hey, Travis, thanks for showing us your truck today, and sure fun watching you out there.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
All righty.
It's a daily. I mean, it's ran Rocky Mountain Race Week twice. Drove
Awesome.
from here to Colorado,
Perfect.
ran the race, and drove it back.
I've been wanting to do that in this. So
I just run this little bucket class because I don't have a cage.
exactly. That's this. This gets kicked off the tracks too.
It'll run 11.0.
Yeah.
I took it to Bedford last time. I ran 11.40.
Perfect. That's awesome. Yeah.
I mean, in Tuesday I ran on the wastegate, and Hunter shot the whole way. It ran 7.0s at 100.
Perfect. That's awesome. Yeah.
But it's like you use full drive
Yep.
on street tires.
Exactly.
It's down.
Yeah. Next time you go up to Coos, call me because I go run up there, but no one. I'll start running, and everyone doesn't want to run against me because they're like, "Oh, no!" They get mad when the trucks beat them. It's like, "Come on, I'm just having fun, guys." You know, it's a daily.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had that truck since 2004.
That's awesome.
I've had 4 different motors, a bunch of trannies, a bunch of turbos. It's had 8 different turbos on it, 2 different superchargers. It's had big compound boosted. I had a turbo feeding a supercharger on it.
Oh, awesome. You running 400 in it?
It's a 480.
You're running 480? Awesome. So you can daily drive and get mileage out of it.
Yep.
That is cool.
Yeah, it's the longest relationship of my life.
All right. That's funny. That's awesome. Well, it was fun to run you, man.
Yeah.
That was cool. That was awesome.
Yeah, you're about the only person out here I think that could beat me at race. Everybody else does fast.
Yeah. That is cool.
That first run, I think I got a little bit.
Yeah, we were like this at the first one. I wasn't expecting that. I'm like, I left kind of soft, and and he doesn't give the diesel guys enough time. It takes a little bit to get on it, you know. So that second run, like, I got to get on it, you know.
Yeah, you got on, but you hit it hard right out of the
Yeah.
hole, and it's like I was just a touch behind you, and I hit it right in.
Yeah. It was gonna be in head the whole time.
I mean, the truck has a lot more in it, but it's a daily.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
only on 15 pounds. That
Yeah.
motor could hold 20, 25.
Yeah, exactly. That is cool. Yeah, we're pegging the boost gauge in this one. Yeah, that last run I was probably 280 degrees of coolant temp. Pyrometer was not coming off 1,000 degrees. So everything was saying back. It was starting to try to back fuel off, and that was awesome. Cool. Well, that was fun, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come down, see what you had.
Yeah,
Runs good.
it does for a big tank.
Can't afford to run these diesels. They're too expensive.
I know, right? That's the problem with diesels, is they are expensive.
They got that diesel tax.
They do.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, They're not cheap.
Traction.
Yeah, definitely. I know.
Well, I know about fast.
Well, I was unable to find the owner of this 57 Chevrolet, but boy, it was a nice one. And that, guys, is what I would call original patina on that car. And if that is truly the first and only paint job on that 57, it is an incredible car. But like I said, I couldn't find the owner of the car. If you liked today's video, we'd sure appreciate it if you hit that like button. And we'll catch you next time on Rusty Duck Garage.